How to find two-step verification settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find two-step verification settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in top corner you will find the storylines in top, and click settings and privacy, and now you will find security and login. Click on it and then click two-step verification. And as you see here, you can manage two-step verification settings on TikTok mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.